What LEDWorker lighting can do for our customers. For the LED strip sense, we will prepare every details for our customer. For example, the suitable plug, the instructions. On the instruction, they have the customer logos and every step how we connect it. And then the LED strips. On the cable, you can see here. Here have the cable. On the cable, they have some detailed instruction, the certification for our customer to see it. And then the driver, the smart combined power supplier is very easy to connect it. And with the plug, put here. And then we can put all the products in the box. You can see here, we put the strip inside and the instruction, the power, the plug. And then the retailer customer can get it one box with all the products. If you need more information, please feel free to contact with us.